sand that thing with 1500, 3000, buffed it out, and just wham, it gets done so fast. It's awesome. So, and then we do the mist and shine after it's all done. Detail, we use all the products. So we're very happy, love them. I'm Gilby from River Falls, Wisconsin. I have a motorcycle shop and a hot rod shop. We do custom painting, build custom motorcycles, and do service work. We've won a lot of awards in Daytona, Sturgis, Rats Hole, Chicago. We've been all over, Green Bay years ago, so we've won a lot of awards. You know, not bragging, we just go there for fun. I go there for fun, show the bike. I like to show kids. That's my biggest thing, so kids can see things. I put stuff on Facebook so they can see you can build things without having $100,000 worth of equipment. All it takes a hammer, steel, a tree stump, and hard work and determination. You can build anything. You just gotta go after it. I just get imaginations in my head. I gotta have something that flows, that looks kind of cool and groovy, and that's way out of the box. I never really follow the trends. I don't care. I'm not a follower. I do my own thing. I do what's in my head, and I have fun with it. And that's what I'm in this business for, to have fun. And on this bike here, it's all steel back. The frame comes apart in a couple places. It has 2 superchargers on it that are run off the crank. It's not turbos, they're superchargers. Special made pistons, cams, all kinds of stuff done to the engine so it works right. The paint is all House of Color paint. Body steel. The back end, you take the side frame apart, the back flips up so you can get the brakes and do any service work that you need to do. Pinstriping is all done by hand with a Max brush. Gold leafing, silver leafing, it's all done by hand. And we use Wizard products for all the cutting, the buffing pads, the mist and shine, everything. We've been using it for many years, it's awesome, and I can't say enough good things about it. It's great, works good, everything, every one of your products work awesome.